Actually, I'm not a fan of quotes, but there are some quotes that have changed my life. So I take this opportunity to share those quotes with everyone, and I guess they might be useful to you as well. Quote number 1: prevention is better than cure. This quote is really obvious, but the most obvious things tend to get unnoticed. So, what's with this prevention is better than cure? Like, you're sitting in a chair. If you maintain a proper posture now, you can prevent a low back pain in the future. When you're doing workout, if you're having a proper posture, you can prevent a shoulder pain in the future. So, this quote definitely has been a life-changing quote for me. Quote number 2. Actually, I have told this quote to many people, but not everyone really accepted it. But this is certainly the quote that I follow a lot. Imagine you die tomorrow. What will you do today? What will you do now? Yeah, like imagine you're going to die tomorrow. Now, when you imagine this, you will realize what's the most important thing in your life at the moment. Yeah, you will definitely not choose studying. I know, even I won't choose studying, but like it depends on the perspective, right? Like, what is the most important thing? I mean, you want to live a happy life, you want to live a valuable life. How can you live a happy life? Studying well. So I think you can correlate to what I'm saying. But definitely, I will totally accept if you are against this quote, because most people have been against this, even my relatives. Quote number 3: they are thinking about themselves before breakfast, after breakfast, and right on until 10 minutes past midnight. They would be 1,000 times more concerned about their slight headache than the death news of yours or mine. You guys probably know about this quote already. This is by Dale Carnegie in his book. And this is genuinely true. Nobody cares. That's the truth. Maybe your closest people might give, like, they might care a little bit, but honestly, nobody cares. So don't worry about other people thinking about you. Don't worry what they will think of you. Don't worry about people judging you, because people will always judge you. But at the end of the day, they're going to do what they want. And that's what you or I will do also. Like, we are going to do what we want anyway. At the end of the day, we'll be doing. So that's how people are. So this has helped me reduce a lot of worrying in my own mind. I mean, I don't have a lot of worries about this, but I've been able to go through some of my tough situations using this. The last quote, quote number 4. This quote is my most favorite quote, and I mean 24/7. Yeah, definitely not when I'm sleeping, negative 8 hours. The whole time I'm awake, this quote will be constantly running in my mind, and it is: intentions matter more than actions. What is your intention? It defines you, not your actions. For example, a celebrity might choose to give like 1 crore, 2 crore, 3 crore. What is his or her intention? Is it to gather fame, or is it to actually help the person? If it is actually to help the person, it is really awesome. But the intention differs. Similarly, okay, I'm just 19 years old, so let's not go to celebrities. Let's come to our level. Take this example. Someone is trolling someone. So here, the intention again matters. Are you trolling the person just to make fun of him, just to like have a cheerful surrounding around you, or are you trolling the person to hurt his feelings? The end story is you're trolling the person. Yeah, that's it. That's the end. That is the action. But what matters is your intention. Are you doing that to just like have fun with him, or are you doing that to hurt him? So this defines and matters a lot. So these are the quotes that I found really useful to me, and I try to use these quotes the most throughout my day. I hope this video has been useful to you. I'll be posting such similar videos in the future. Thank you for watching. See you guys soon.